I am Terrence Taps, and this is Tap Along 2. If you haven't watched one yet, I kind of recommend you go back and take a look. In this one, I decided to do a different variation of the same combination that's designed for people who are beginners or know a little basic tap and just want to learn a cool little routine. I'm going to get you there by making 3 changes to the original combination. We're going to go straight rhythm instead of swing. We're going to stick with 8th notes, and I'm also going to take a few sounds out. So one, this step starts with a step, heel, toe drop, just like the first one. But instead of brush, step, heel on the other foot, we'll just do a heel drop on the opposite foot. So there'll just be step, heel, toe, heel. Then after that, you'll do a single paddle, just like before. Big brush, step, heel. And then we do the other side. Step, heel, toe, heel, big brush, step, heel. And when it comes time for the break, we're just going to do 2 single paddles. Paddle, paddle. That's dig, brush, step, heel. If you can follow that, I know you can master this. If you learn it or enjoy it, give this a like. It encourages me to keep making videos like this, and I have lots of ideas. See you on the other side.